Hello guys, Carbert's here, Edgar here. So I have good news. I really feel so great today. I got the new fender and I installed the fender really easy. I had to use different bolts because the others, well, they got loose. So and then last week I installed the door. So good. I really feel happy because it's almost there. I just need to work on the bumper. I'm gonna send it to fix. And yeah, man, I don't know what to say. I'm just I'm excited. And well, this new one, new one is because I um I bought it on eBay, and it's very hard to get the same color. This is the old one. I just removed this part and I'm going to put it here. Of course, this is just still not glued, but I'm gonna use the double side tape and yeah, man, I feel happy. I'm just doing it by myself. I installed the bumper, several things here. The rocker panel. The rocker panel was a pain in the back. Again, it was really hard. But I don't know. For some reason, I don't know if you can help me. But for some reason, the lights they still like one go down, one go up, and I don't know. I don't know if it's something there. I don't know. But right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove the alternator. What I do here is I just use a 15 millimeter bolt here, and just I push it, and I did this because of course I don't want to get rid of all the band and and then you're gonna use again this one, the 15, to start working on it. And it's honestly it's not that hard. It's just you just need to where's the other one? It's over here. And let's do it. Okay, so yeah, we need to remove this. We're going to remove this to also, of course, this, and we're gonna install the new one. So I'll be back. Okay, this is the tools that I'm going to use. A wrench. This is a 13 socket. It's gonna be for this one. Okay, and then we're gonna use the 15 socket, which is this, and there's another one. Okay, so we're gonna remove it. Remember that you need to disconnect your battery, and I did this just because this is gonna be the tensor, the adjuster. Same here. So once you finish, you just pull down the tensor and just put it in the band again. And yeah, basically this is what you're gonna do here. Okay, so you remove it. And that's all, guys. Let's remove it. I'll be back. Okay, so this is the new one. I bought it from Napa, and you can see the old one. Actually, it's still working, but again, since it's a red car, so I really maybe it won't last, for long. And you can see all the oil there, the grease there. So nah. So what we're gonna do, that's the reason why I want to remove everything before install it. I'm going to clean here because honestly it doesn't look good. And I'm going, actually next week I'm going to change here because of course, again, you can see there's a little bit of a like leaking, so I need to change the gaskets. And yeah, basically every time you're going, like if you buy a car like this, is what I recommend, even if I'm not a mechanic, but I recommend to change the gaskets. And yeah, because you never know the pressure. Remember, this car was like for more than a year just sitting in the range, so of course there's many things that need to be changed for sure. And but well, let's do it. So yeah, you can see the, you know, wanna, not today honestly, but yeah, we're going to change the gaskets. I already have it, actually. I just bought it, and that's gonna be the next step. After, first I want to focus on the, you know, on the exterior, uh, and then we gonna focus on the engine. And yeah, it is what it is. So let's install the alternator. So let's find out.